A very sad story that has happened in the United Methodist Church. Evangelist has died whilst he was preaching on the pulpit in Chisipiti. And this is very, very, very sad to the United Methodist family. And I am passing my condolences to the family and to the whole church. This story actually happened whilst he was preaching on Facebook. The video has now been deleted, but this is the man, and very, very, very sad. I was seeing some comments, people saying that it could be a plot to silence some of these African pastors or African ministers that are in UMC, and the vocal ones are the ones that are being targeted. I don't know if that is true. Some deaths are just natural, and we do not need to be finding witches or witch hunting. But hopefully, we are going to get more information on this. And please stay tuned to JCTV Africa as we try to follow this story and find out what really happened or what is really happening. But very, very sad situation in the United Methodist Church there.